How do sponsors decide which vendors make the shortlist? What trial need is defined, sponsors narrow their search based on defined requirements and build a shortlist. That process depends on structured vendor information. That's why we created the Freelance Clinical Vendor Portal. To begin, create your account. Select Join as a vendor and verify your email. Then complete your company profile. Add your services, operating regions, countries with legal entities, and quality system details. Include a responsible contact so sponsors know who to reach. Once complete, submit your profile for review. Approved profiles become visible inside the platform. If you want your company positioned and ready before the next sponsor requirement is defined, register now at freelanceclinical.com/vendors.